Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now, to those of you that have actually yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, we're currently offering a 40% discount, which will actually last probably till Tuesday, which is 2 days maximum. So if you have not joined, if you missed it last week, you can now join this week. So we would be putting the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. There we are planning to put out high probability trade that you have higher chances of winning. So if you are interested, go ahead and sign up. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. And if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the links to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So now let's see what we would be expecting this week on GBP JPY. Now let's zoom it out properly. You will see something like this. You see that there was this movement to the upside, right? Then we had a pullback. Then we had another impulse move to the upside, right? You can see it here. You can see impulse move, strong buys. This was the corrective way, strong buys to the upside. This is another wave downward. Guess what? It did not break this higher lows here. It did not break it. You can see it. It did not even come to touch it. Neither did it come to break it. It did not do that. Now, what is market doing? Market is now pushing up. Thereby, it wants to give us a new higher highs. So in the long run, we would see GBPJPY heading to level of 186. Currently, we are trading at 184. GBPJPY will continue the movement to the upside, heading to a level of 186, even breaking above the level of 186. So expect more buys on GBPJPY. That is it. Now let's take a look at the time frame on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that this is the resistance level. There was a rejection around this level. There was a rejection around this level. Then a lot of people were actually selling. I mean, if you have been following my channel consistently, you would have you have seen where I told you how to spot liquidity level, right? A lot of people were actually selling around this level because it's so okay. Price rejected here, price rejected here. They should go ahead and sell. And a lot of people sold, right? Price went up, take out their stop loss. Now, to those people that did not use stop loss, right? The thing might drop. If I thought, okay, it will continue to drop, and guess what? With this movement to the upside, it would have taken their stop loss, or it would have blown your account. And if it has not yet blown the account, definitely there is still more buys coming on GBPJPY, which is very much likely to blow your account. I mean, if you understand this liquidity, you would have said that once there's a rejection, one, two, the third time and the fourth time is very much likely to be a liquidity level because the big banks know that, okay, they sold there was a rejection here, there was a rejection here. Everybody will say, okay, this is the resistance level. Let us go ahead and sell. Guess what? That is where liquidity will come in to take out your stop loss, right? So those who actually try to take sold here, actually their stop loss would have been taken out. Those who use big wide stop loss, where they might still be in the game, and those who did not use any stop loss at all, they will still be in the game. But guess what? They might be taking to be dropping and see what happened. Market is pushing up, and guess what? It will continue to go up because we are still expecting more movement to the upside. So those of you that are not using stop loss, you are very, 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 very much likely to blow your account. So probably if market opens, you should look for a way to cut your losses short. Do not stay on this trade because more uptrend is still coming. And if you stay on this trade without stop loss, you are very much likely to wipe off your account. So GBPJPY, we are expecting more movement to the upside. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.